Good morning, students. Now we are ready to solve the MCQ of PT1. So in first question, all of you note it down the question and all of you know the question. The vapor pressure of two liquid B and Q are given 80 and 60 torr respectively. The vapor pressure of solution obtained by mixing 3 mole. Then the answer will be Ps is equal to P naught A into XA plus P naught B into XB. P naught A is 80 and XA is equal to 0.6 plus P naught B is equal to 60 and XB is equal to 0.4. After calculation, the value will be 72 torr. This is the answer. Understand? Now, second question, the solution of acetone and ethanol. As when acetone and ethanol is mixed together, then it shows positive deviation from the Raoult's law. So, therefore, all of you know the option number 2 is correct. It is already explained during the classes. So, for second, the answer will be second. So, for first, the answer will be, all of you know, first choice. For second question, question number, answer. For second, the answer will be 3. Now, third question. In this, during osmosis, the flow of water through a semi-permeable membrane. The answer correct is fourth number, from both sides of the semi-permeable membrane with unequal flow rates. Unequal flow rates causes the osmosis. All of you know. Therefore, the answer number 4 is correct for the third question. This is the answer. This is the question. Now we are talking about the question number 4. In this, calculate the amount of Van factor. So to solve this, for fourth number solution, I is equal to 3.82 is equal to I into kb into m. So 3.82 I into kb value is given 1.86 into m is equal to 5 by 142 molecular weight of sodium sulfate by 1000 by 42. After calculation, I is equal to 2.639. So the answer will be second. Now for the first, mole fraction of solute in 1 molar solution will be x is equal to 1 by 55.55 plus 1. Then calculation, the answer will be 0.0177. So for the fifth, then the right answer is option number 2. Now you move to the question number 6. For 6, the option correct answer is 3. Now we discuss about the solution. So all of you try to understand. Question number 6, all of you first of all listen the question number 6, and the question number 6 is a solution containing 10 gram per liter of urea with molecular mass 60 gram per mole is isotonic with 5% solution of non-volatile solute. Isotonic means they have the same concentration, isotonic. So, in isotonic conditions, concentrations of urea is equal to concentrations of non-volatile solid. So, in a state of concentrations of urea, you put the value of mass of urea by molecular weight of urea into 1000 by mass of urea, which is given is equal to 5 into 1000 by m into the mass of the solvent. Here mass of solvent is 1000. So after the calculation, m is equal to 300 gram. Therefore, answer for the 6 is 3. Now student, the question number 7 is at 100 degrees C, the vapor pressure of solution of 6.5 gram of solid in 100 gram of water is 732 mm. If Kb is equal to 0.5 kg per mole, the boiling point of solution will be. So in this question, the vapor pressure of solution is given. So by using this, first of all we find out the molecular weight of the solute. P naught minus P by P naught is equal to NB, mole of the solid by mole of the solvent into mole of the solute. For suppose that NB is lesser than Na, then we apply this formula. Then after calculating, you find out the M is equal to 31.75, and then you put in this delta TB is equal to, all of you know, Kb into small m. So after putting, the value is 1.06. So the boiling point is equal to boiling point of water plus elevation in boiling point, which is equals to 101 degrees C. Therefore, for the 7, the option number 3 is correct. Quantum factor for the barium oxide. It is strongly chloride, therefore it decomposes as Ea plus 2 and 2OH minus. Therefore, I is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, option number 4 is correct for the question number 8. Now, question number 9. If molality of dilute solution is doubled, the value of molar depression constant Kf will be. It remain unchanged because Kf is characteristic properties of solvent. So for the 9, the answer will be 1 is correct, which is unchanged. Now for the 10, which of the following is dependent on temperature? Molarity is dependent on temperature, because in molarity all of you take in volume of solution in liter, and volume depends upon the temperature. So for this, the option number 3 is correct for the 10. Understand? 11. The standard reduction potentials of lithium, barium, sodium, magnesium are given. But among these two, which one is the strongest oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agents having the lowest negative magnitude of standard potential value. So among the given choice, only magnesiums having the lowest reduction potential value minus 2.37. Therefore, Mg plus 2 is the strongest oxidizing agent. Understand? So for 11, the question number and choice number 2 is correct, which is Mg2 plus. Understand? Now next, question number 12. On hitting one end of the piece of the metal, the other end becomes hot because of the minor perturbations of energy of atoms. So for the 12, the answer number 2 is correct. Now question number 14. A 5 ampere current passes through the solution of zinc sulfate for 40 minutes. The amount of zinc deposited at cathode is. So all of you try to understand how these questions are solved. For 13, the standard reduction potentials are given. Zinc and iron, the reduction potentials are given. The standard EMF, that means E naught cell. E naught cell is equal to, all of you know, E naught red minus E naught ox. Reduction of zinc takes place because zinc is more reactive. So this is 0.76 minus and plus 0.44. After the subtracting, the value is 0.34 volt. That means option number 4 is correct for the 13. Understand? The question number 14 is, a 5 ampere current is passed through a solution of zinc sulfate for 40 minutes. The amount of zinc deposited at cathodes. Now apply the Faraday's law of electrolysis. W is equal to A by NF into I into T. A of zinc is 65, N valency is 2, F is equal to 96500, I is 5 ampere, T is 40 minutes, that means you transform into 60, and after calculation the value is 4.065, so option number 4 is correct for the question number 14. Understand? Question number 15 is, the specific conductance of a 0.1 N KCl solution at 23 degrees C is 0.012 ohm inverse centimeter inverse. The resistance of the cell containing the solution at the same temperature was found to be 55 ohm. The cell constant will be. In this question, conductivity and resistance are given. So you apply the formula K is equal to G into G star. G star, all of you know, this is cell constant, and the K into R, because G is equal to 1 by R. So K into R, K is already given in the question, which is 0.012, and R is equal to 55. So the answer is 0.66 centimeter inverse, and therefore the option number 2 is correct. Option number 2 is correct. So for 15, 2 is correct. Understand? Now the question number 16 is the weight of silver, atomic weight 108, displaced by the quantity of electricity which displaces 5600 ml of O2 at STP will be. 5600 ml of O2 is equal to 5.6 liter of O2, which is equal to 1 equivalent of the oxygen, and 1 equivalent of oxygen is equal to 1 equivalent of silver, and the 1 equivalent of silver is equal to 108 gram. Therefore, in this the answer will be fourth. So the answer for the question number 16 is fourth. Fourth is the right option. Now question number 17. A device that converts energy of combustion of fuels like hydrogen, methane directly into electrical cell is known as, all of you know, fuel cell. So for the 17, the answer will be 3. Understand? Now the question number 18. During the electrolysis of molten sodium chloride, the time required to produce 0.1 mole of chlorine gas using the current of 1 ampere. 0.1 mole of chlorine gas using the current of 3 ampere, how much time is required? So all of you know Q is equal to I into T, but Q is not given in the question. So all of you know NaCl gives Na plus and Cl minus, then Cl minus forms Cl2 by losing 2 electrons. So 1 mole of electron carry 96500, so there is 2 electrons, so this is 193000 coulomb, but in question the amount is 0.1 mole. So as per the question, the charge is 19300 coulomb. Now apply Q is equal to I into T, and then you find out the T is equal to 110 minutes. So for the 18, option number 2 is correct. Now question number 19. Zinc can be coated on iron to produce galvanized iron, but the reverse is not possible. This is because of the reason that zinc has higher negative electrode potentials than iron, so iron cannot reduce by zinc. So the answer for the 19 is fourth. Question number 19, the answer will be fourth. The reason is the standard reduction potentials of zinc is more negative than that of the iron. Question number 20. A hydrogen gas electrode is made by dipping platinum wire in a solution of HCl of pH is equal to 10 by passing hydrogen gas around the platinum wire at 1 atm pressure. The oxidation potentials of electrode will be. So hydrogen breaks into 2H plus and plays 2 electrons. Then when the ratio of hydrogen is 1 atm and the pH is 10, then H plus is equal to 10 to the power minus pH. So therefore 10 to the power minus 10. Now apply the Nernst equation. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by 2 log concentrations of H plus to the power 2 by pressure of hydrogen gas. And this, the value of E naught cell is 0 volt. Therefore E cell is equal to minus 0.059 by 2 log concentrations 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 2, and then 2 cancelled out, and then 0.059 into 10 log 10. Therefore the answer is 0.59 volt. So option number 4 is correct for the question number 20. Question number type 2, assertions and reason type question. In this 4 choices are given. In one, assertion, reason both are correct statement and reason of correct explanation for assertion. Second, assertion, reason both are correct statement but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Third, assertion is correct statement but reason is wrong statement. Fourth, assertion and reason both are incorrect statement. So in first question, assertion, molarity of solution in liquid state changes with temperature. Reason, the volume of solution change with the temperature. So the answer correct is 1 because both is correct. Now 2, assertion, when methyl alcohol is added to water, boiling point of water increases. Reason, when the volatile solute is added in the volatile solvent, elevation in boiling point is observed. That means 4. That means assertion and reason both are incorrect statement because when you added methyl alcohol is water, boiling point of water is not increases, it decreases. All of you know. Now 23. So 21, the option number 1 is correct. So 22, option number 4 is correct. 23, option number 1 is correct. And for 24, option number 2 is correct. For 25, option number 3 is correct. Because in this, if red blood cell were removed from the body and placed in pure water, pressure inside the cell increases because of the osmosis takes place. So the answer number 3 is right. Assertion is correct statement but reason is wrong. Reason is concentration of salt content in cell increases. It is wrong. Now for the 26, in electrolysis of quantity of electricity needed depositing 1 mole of silver is made from that required for the 1 mole of copper. Reason, the molecular weight of silver and copper are different. Therefore in this case second number choice is correct because assertion and reason both are correct statement but reasons is not correct explanation of the assertion. Understand? In electrolysis of the quantity of electricity needed to depositing 1 mole of silver is different from that required for the 1 mole of copper. The molecular weight of silver and copper are different. In this case, the second option is correct because assertion and reason both are the correct statement, but the reason is not correct explanation of assertions. Understand? Now for the question number 26, assertion, sodium ions are discharged in preference to hydrogen ions in mercury electrode. Reason, the nature of electrode can affect the order of discharging cation. In this case, option number 1 is correct. Option number 1 is correct. That means 1 is assertion and reason both are correct statement. Reason is correct explanation of assertion. That is why. 28, identification. Cathode and anode is done by using thermometer. Reason, higher the value of reduction potential, greater would be the reduction power. The option number 4 is correct. 29, equivalent conductance of all electrolyte decreases with increasing concentration. Reason, lesser of ions are available per gram equivalent at higher concentrations. For this, option number 1 is correct. For now, finally for 30, conductivity of electrolyte decreases on dilution. It is correct. The dilution, the number of ions per unit volume decreases. It is also correct. So the option number 1 is correct for this. Understand? Now the question number 31 is matching type. For this, the option number 1 is correct because all of you know soda water, a solution of gas in liquid, sugar solution, a solution of solid in liquid, air, solution of gas in gas. Fourth number, hydrogen gas in platinum, a solution of gas in solid. So the option number 1 is correct. For 32, the option number 3rd is correct. For 33, option number 4th is correct. For 35, all of you know, ideal solution forms when its component have both above the characteristic, that means have no volume change, no enthalpy change on mixing. All of you know. All from the ideal solution except fourth is the correct answer, ethyl iodide and ethanol. All of you know. Now for the 36, the relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to the ratio between the number of. For the 36, the option number 2 is correct. Solid molecule to the total molecule of solution. All of you know the definition. The difference between the electrode potential of two electrodes when no current drawn through the cell is known as cell EMF. All of you know. So for the 37, the answer is second. Now 39, the cell constant of electrolytic cell remain constant for the cell. All of you know. For 40, while charging the lead storage battery, lead sulfate of anode reduced to lead. Therefore, for the 40, the answer number 1 is correct. Hoping that all of you understand and satisfied.